Copy and paste videos and earn $100 a day on YouTube without making videos. Boom, 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 and boom. Do you want to earn $100 per day without showing your face, without recording your voice, or by copying and pasting videos? Or simply can't wait to come up and bring off your daily dollar bundle? You've come to the right video. Let me tell you step by step how I basically earn $1,000 easily per month with this ultimate strategy. Don't believe me? Let me show you practically. Before moving on, let us remind you of the most awaited giveaway. Still not participated? Do it right now. It's simple. Just subscribe to our channel right now and comment down below with "I subscribed." The winners will be updated on the 30th of September. You can find the rest of the details on our Instagram page under the same name, Cash Cow Creators. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Do you know what we are headed into? A simple method to make money on YouTube without making videos. And the fact is, you have to only spend 30 minutes per day for this fun. Here are the steps. Number 1. Download the video clips. Number 2. Compile the videos. Number 3. Re-upload on your YouTube channel. Now, there are two main things that you should know before getting into this strategy. What is your medium? And what is your niche? First of all, know the medium from where you're going to take videos to re-upload. The best and easiest medium to approach in either way is TikTok. You will be having lots of videos that you can easily re-upload on your channel and make money online without making videos yourself. Yes, that's our today's secret strategy to make money really fast. Now, why is niche important? Whatever niche you select is your choice, but make sure to categorize the videos. This means that you have to be very careful while uploading the content. The compiled video should justify the niche. Avoid compiling random videos into a single video. You might risk your views. Choose a proper title and then find videos related to your niche and the ones that suit the title. Confused? Come with me. I'll show you how to do it step by step. For your understanding, we're going to take an example of making videos of instant karma. Firstly, we have to source the clips from TikTok. Note that TikTok is far different from YouTube. This means here on TikTok, you have to search videos from a different strategy with the use of hashtags. Repeat after me. So for compiling the video that is actually going to be about instant karma, we need to go about to TikTok on the desktop version. Once you're on the TikTok website, go to the search bar and type in tiktok.com and then instant karma. As you can see here, once we have actually entered our hashtag and found our source of videos, the next thing we will do is simply to download the videos which we think are the best suitable. Step number 1. Here's how to download a video. All you need to do is just click on one of the videos that are titled Instant Karma and the one you feel is perfect for your video compilation. Once you've clicked on the video, over to the right hand side where it says copy link, click this button. Now copy the link to your clipboard, then go to a website where we can download the videos. The website that we are going to use is called ttdownloader.com. This website allows you to download videos easily from TikTok by copying and pasting the link into the bar. Simply download the ones that you want to and save them in a folder by the same method. Never ignore these points. Must to-dos. Be sure to download the video without watermarks because the multiple video clips with watermarks can seem highly unprofessional. Instead, add on your own watermark. Don't know how to do that? I'm gonna show it too. Stick to the end of the video. Once the video is downloaded, repeat this process until you have gathered a minimum of 10 minutes of content. Now you might be thinking, why is that so? The reason is that YouTube now allows those videos to have mid-rolls ads that are 8 minutes or longer. Mid-roll ads are really important if you want to increase your revenue by 4 times. Here, voiceover is really important. If you do not do it, you might not get a chance to monetize your channel. Even so, you have to prove to YouTube that you are adding some value and uniqueness to your videos. If you miss this out, your video will still be reused. Step number 2. Now our next step is to compile these videos and add our logo and watermark. So it will feel like the videos have been published by a professional channel with really high quality clips. Let's go ahead and create our professional word mark logo. We're gonna name this channel TikTok Royale. So let's go over to Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, access it for free. All you need to do is type on the YouTube search bar how to download Photoshop for free and watch out for tutorials to download Photoshop. So now, with Photoshop opened, click Create New and use the 1920 by 1080 template. When the document is open, use the text tool and type out the name of your logo. Let's say my channel will be called TikTok Roasting, so I will type out TikTok Roasting in lowercase. I will then change the color of this text to all white. I'm gonna change the color of the roasting word to blue. Now I will click on the text layer and add a black colored stroke to this layer. Then at the top, I will click the capital T with a curve underneath it. From the Style menu, select Arc and make the band -12%. Save the file in PNG format. Now you have your logo for your channel. Step number 3. Once you have saved your logo, now open a video editor of your choice. The video editor that I will be using in today's video is Premiere Pro. Now in Premiere Pro, click New Project, then name this project Compilation Episode 1 and click OK. Now double-click the bottom left where it says Import Media to start. Now import the logo you just created in Photoshop. Drag it onto the timeline. Now make sure that this image is dragged onto the second video layer called V2. Then extend the length of this layer so it reaches 8 minutes long. Click the padlock icon to lock this layer. Then import all the TikTok videos you have just downloaded and drag them all onto the timeline. Then resize the image so that it's in the top left of the screen. Now the final last step is to make sure you add a voiceover in Premiere Pro to start recording if you have a USB microphone attached. Now import that file onto your PC and sync it up in Premiere Pro. That way, you can still record a voiceover if you don't have enough money to purchase a microphone. Step number 4. How to make an intro. Well, here's an intro for free in a few minutes. First of all, go to panzoid.com/creations. On this website, there are many free intro templates that you can use. Browse this website until you find one that you like or the one that has the same colors as your channel logo. When you have found the one you like, click on Open in Clip Maker. And on the left-hand side, click the Cube Object button. Now where it says Text Name, click this and enter your channel name and press Enter. If it says name 4 times, then you need to do it for each time. Now that that's done, click the download button on the left-hand side and click Start Video Render. Wait until this render is done. Once it's done, save the download to your folder and make sure that we can import this file into our video editing software. Because Premiere Pro doesn't support MKV files, we need to use this website, cloudconvert.com/mkv-converter. Open it and upload your intro. Then select Convert to MP4. Once it's finished, download it. Now open Premiere Pro and add our intro video. We now need to resize the intro to make it full screen and make the intro a little shorter. The intro is around 12 seconds. I'll trim this to just 5. Here we go. We just add the intro before our content, add our voiceover. So let's see what a 30-second preview will actually look like. That's it. If I would have some time, or even if you want to make your outro really fascinating, try adding an animated outro. You can do it by going on the same Panzoid website and finding an outro that perfectly suits your video. That's all for today's video. In case you miss out on any point or are unable to understand, you can simply comment down below and contact us on Instagram. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We'll be back with more. Until then, stay tuned.